Alright, so this is Vibes in 5 Unsung, Ghana's only social media celeb talk show. This is currently the biggest show on social media, trust me, because everybody wants to be on it because we give results. I mean, you don't come on the show and go without being noticed. And this is why we're trending and we keep trending and we'll continue to trend. My name is Arnold Mensah Lavanyo. My costume is always provided by Which One Clothing. You can call Which One on 0501155602, 0501155602. The masses call me, bro, you see me? Yes, straight up, you know. I'm here with Flexer GH. Flexer GH used to be part of High Grade Family, you know, the fandom, and he broke away. What made him break away? We'll let him touch on that briefly. But I don't know if he wants to place himself as an artist prophecy or a prophet within the artist. I don't know. He says things and they happen later. And I'm sure he has some prophecy for us this morning on Vibes in 5, Ghana's only social media celeb talk show. Flex, are you welcome?
Yeah, very good, man.
But you don't say I bore you.
Oh, I don't say you bore me.
You don't say I bore you.
We go settle later. That one there. we go settle up later. How you know?
Everything cool.
Everything cool, man.
Prophet Flex.
Oh no. If we talk prophet, we like say we they reduce the power or the spiritual things we have to do.
So make a commode the prophet for them.
Commode the prophet, put them as like demon of God.
Demon of God.
Yeah,
Flexer, the demon of God.
Yeah, because you were there when I came on Plus FM and I told everybody that I would descend on Samini fan base.
You would descend on Samini fan base?
Like a demon.
Like, so what did you mean when you said that?
Yeah, you know, this time when we started Samini fan base and all those things, we started adding people, creating Facebook and WhatsApp.
Why? Are you trying to say you started High Grade Family fan base? Are you the one who started it?
Wow, I was the one who brought the whole idea on Facebook and what do they call it? They are so-called WhatsApp.
What name did you give it at the time?
It was the same fans of High Grade.
Fans of High Grade.
High Grade.
That was what you started.
Yeah.
So before you started fans of High Grade fans didn't exist?
They existed, but they never had something like Facebook group that they will be talking about Samini or something like that. You understand? So we were like, when I brought the idea, people came in, they support. So we created it. So we were on Facebook. Whoever tried to attack Samini, we attack back. Do you understand?
So who were the people with you?
Who were the people with me? Oh yeah, you can ask people like Naya, you can ask people like Karim Benzema and other people. They
were with you when you started the High Grade fans.
The whole thing is that I brought the idea and then we did it together. So it wouldn't be like, I'm not going to say I started it, but we were all together. I brought the idea and they picked it up.
And then you did it.
And then we did it.
Okay.
We did it.
So why would you get back to destroy something you started?
You know, one thing that people don't understand in this industry or this industry business that we are in, that I can be your fan. If I'm your fan, then you need to hear my idea or maybe my opinion on some things.
Yeah.
Okay, if Samini and Shatta they are getting cool or they have settled their differences somehow.
Yeah.
And then I came out to say, oh, it would be nice because I learned Shatta post something like they should forget whatsoever and then they should get cool with Samini. And then I also said if Samini were to come on Facebook or Instagram to post something like that, it shows much more respect to the fans.
Okay.
And then people started dissing me. Do you understand?
Okay.
So people insulting me, I took it like it's a normal thing.
Yeah.
But at that time, Naya and Karim Benzema were people who were close to me.
Yeah.
We used to call, Charlie, let's celebrate Samini because he has been in the industry for some years now. And so I brought the ideas and then they pick it up. So if you guys were this close to me and something like this happened, you could pick a phone and call me, Flex, what's up?
Yeah.
Charlie, we hear something say so they happen. How the matter come?
Yeah.
Then I have to explain my part. Yeah. But they didn't. But later on I learned they were behind some people who were talking shit. Then those same people come and tell me that I shouldn't mind them. Some were like, if you go show Samini what make you do, if you know say you want to talk about Samini, you for talk positive things. And as a real fan, you don't always talk about it.
And what was the negative thing you said?
I didn't see anything negative in that. Because I'm a fan. And then I'm a die-hard fan. My car was broken down. Some group of people hit my car to the extent that it got damaged mercilessly because of Samini. Okay. So you can't tell me that you have done something for Samini more than me. I promoted Samini on Dubai on my show while Samini was not there. I sang Linda and all that tracks throughout. What have they done for High Grade? When we are talking about fans, we are talking about fans who can talk, who can promote the brand, who can do things. I'm on my own now as Flexer, and I know what I can do. Because first, when they were doing those things, I told them, because I'm a guy, I'm not going to say I'm that old, but I'm a young guy.
Yeah.
But even though, let's get out of the music aspect. When you even look at me as Flexer, my main life, and then other things that I'm doing aside, some people are even up to 50, 60, they don't own a house.
But you own a house.
I'm building a story building. I have many lands. I have things which Flexer, when I talk, I show proof. I know just the talk. We can show documents. One of these days, we can show documents on TV.
I don't mind. I would like to show, because I like to let my fans get the real deal. I don't joke with my fans.
Yeah, man. Some boys, they no see indenture before. But
you have indenture. You have lands. You are building story building.
One day, me, I will invite you myself. I will take you go around. If I shoot things, make boys know, say, we will not just
the talk.
We will talk with action. You understand? So if me I talk this thing where you can't attack me, they say be unnecessary.
So why did you set out to destroy the fan base? Why did you set out to break it down?
That's one thing. You see, when the issue happens, Flex called me. You were there when I come to Plus FM, and then you were discussing, and then I go like, oh, it's not an issue. We can settle our differences, because this is not something that have not happened before. Mistake happen, or even though some people make a comment and later on they say sorry.
Yeah.
So I'm part of High Grade, but when they called, one thing that I could also say, that me, I'm a guy that likes speaking my mind.
Yeah.
I can say some Flex also insulted me on that program, because instead of calling someone very popular, you went and called nobody, someone like Karim Benzema.
Oh, okay. So
someone
Karim Benzema is a nobody.
He's a nobody. Nobody.
But you can't say that.
Oh no,
I know Karim Benzema.
You know Benzema. Wait, what he achieved for in lifetime?
Well, that be me.
The boy, I know. Do you mean that you now make you talk to the boy? That boy. You know they fear afford single rooms to what?
No, Karim Benzema. No, you can't say that. I mean, you can. He's a responsible young man who works. I know Karim Benzema.
Hey, nigga, you see, I know.
No, he's a responsible young man. That one I can say.
You know, auntie.
But why you for talk say? Nobody.
You know, auntie.
No.
Last time I go musical office.
Yeah.
Where I go renew my ID card, my membership ID card. Where you ask really talk. No, I want artist come and no go talk. He just can't talk. Say, like I was there, I was waiting for my card. He come and he want to go fast, and then I asked him to go back. I have to get my card before he gets me his card. And he was like, "Any penny for no industry how?" And then I just said two things. Me say, I just told him that Shatta Wale went off for 10 years, came back and made a hit.
Yeah.
Sir Cody have been in the industry, he's making a hit, but now he's giving respect to Shatta Wale.
Yeah.
Shatta have a high spirit within himself. But we that work spiritually, we are not to be compared to them. We are here to boost up the industry, like something.
So you work spiritually?
You think say you go talk, where you go pacify that thing, where you go come to pass. You think say you just they talk.
What did you say that came to pass?
No, be say if you say what did I say that came to pass, it be like say you remember the day where I come to some Flex in your office, where they talk you say, oh, you people were saying that the track that was playing for Sammy Flex, I said, oh, that track stuff, you know, be anything, but me, I just wait make things go lower small, then I will know what I go do. Where you go they talk say when I talk you people say Shatta Wale then Samini. Now then they take the wave without their argument and those kind of things. So I go bring them together. Where you put the laugh, where I talk is so what go make you people no be say no be for one or each other in stage. You go for another person in stage. We are talking. How many years this?
2 years.
2 years. So if you talk me
but
say,
it happened.
You know what happened? Shatta Wale and Samini, you know they say them perform for Ashama.
But Shatta Wale and Stonebwoy where they stage they perform together.
Then they perform, so go find out if they don't make close round.
Samini perform on that night.
You say? Samini then, check Facebook or you go see video.
Samini perform on Stonebwoy in stage.
You say?
Samini perform.
Go do your verification.
But Samini then Shatta Wale perform together.
I say.
No, Samini then Shatta Wale perform
them
together.
Perform together.
Samini then Shatta then perform together.
Wait. What I don't make you understand say, I say them go meet for another person
in stage top.
Now what I don't make you understand say, you see that Shama concert we hold. go make your verification. You are not say you go fit do. Go make your verification. Then see say if you know be sick of that thing, then come closer. But you get pictures where you did Facebook before, where they see Bolare then. What do they call them?
Bolare, Samini, then Shatta Wale.
Yeah, where then they do something like that, they won't bring something together. But that will be the real thing we bring them up. You understand?
Because Stonebwoy won't we bring them up.
Yeah, Stonebwoy won't. If we bring them, all together. You don't understand?
So if the thing where you prophesy, what happen?
No be say thing where I prophesy. Me, I don't get time to prophesy. I know be these Ghana pastors.
What you be?
Me?
Yeah.
What I be if I talk you go start to see me for that angle.
No. I won't know. I for know what you be, then deal plus you as.
Okay. If you want to know what me I be, what I be.
Yeah, really. What you be.
What I be really say.
Yeah.
If me then you I won't do you good.
Yeah.
I get way my body go feel bad, way my spirit go wake up, go do that thing give you.
Your body go feel bad, where your spirit go wake up, go do that thing give me.
Yeah man.
Where if you want do me bad to how you dey do am?
If I want do you bad too, it get many ways. If I want do you bad, I go fit give your contract to another person make you do. It get many ways.
Contract for camera there, somebody else go take am. So you do somebody bad.
You say
you
no,
do
I don't do anybody
yet.
bad so far.
Good son they do people.
Oh no, the good too. I know try they do because me I know me myself I know they consider good more times.
You know they consider good more times.
Yeah, me so the people with me I do them good be say me I dey talk say if you flex that way I do them good because it be him be the body.
If you flex that way you do them good.
Yeah man.
On one of the things I read about you say these up and coming artists where they feature already established artists, then be bogus, they no for do that thing.
Yeah, I be the guy Jesus, he go they talk say make Shatta Wale feature, and Shatta they demand about 30,000 something.
Yeah.
Me the guy self, I make them blog that thing about me, like them blog that thing about me myself. I read them like the guy self. Me I see him one on one, like me I go insult him.
Why you go insult him? Say
you know one thing.
You no fight for feature before.
Me, I no go come beg any artist say make them. Me I go fit mention artists like two. I call them say I want feature them. Then talk like somehow been I talk them say I'm not interested.
But you like them talk good I like you go use.
Yeah, them wait. You know something? The guy, the level he reach, you know reach Shatta Wale level yet.
Yeah.
We get things. If me I come the industry inside right now, we are the work. We are the release track, we are the work, we are start the hit. No be me go they find Shatta Wale to make it come feature me. Shatta Wale himself go see say the small boy they force. He they do things where Shatta Wale self, even if no feature myself, Shatta Wale go do something I go see say he don't want feature me.
Yeah.
You see that level?
Yeah, I get the level.
But the boys where they come these days, our person feature with Shatta Wale. Our person feature Sarkodie. So if you feature Sarkodie, where the song come out, where me if you hit self, now you feature Sarkodie, they give you the film finish. Now work on your own tour.
Then it matter.
So the boys will come to me. That be why the thing happen where me I wake up I say me I salute Shatta for that level. Because if they make you know say it will take you 30,000, then if I know say the business is not for joke. You understand?
Yeah.
Music business is not for joke. Cause me some artists them they see them spiritually. Them no go fit talk me say them no they walk go some place.
You they see them spiritually.
Me them no go fit talk me say
you they see them spiritually. We're artists. Where people you they see spiritually say then they walk. If I tell you say give me 5 names where then they walk spiritually, you go fit give me.
Oh yeah, I go fit give you some 3 names, right?
Give me 3.
Okay, me I know Flex, I know GH. Where I saw no bad movement.
It be your people. It be you then your people.
No, what I don't make I show you say.
Yes.
You know be anybody in name where I go fit mention for you.
Flex I know, be like you won't throw dust for my eyes.
No be so.
Mention names.
The business where we dey inside. You know something? If somebody be nurse, where somebody be doctor, all of them they on the same foot. Yeah. But my capacity no be the same.
So you know people where then they move spiritually, artists.
That artist no. So if that artist can do thing for my backyard, I go make you know say me. If you do me, I go make you know say me I dey do thing. You understand? But if now where me I make come, you go fit come out can't talk say Flexer can't talk this, but no be this. But make you fuck up. That's why they talk you people say the last time somebody like that can comment for my Facebook and that say we wait for your music, I never they come.
Yes, we wait. If it true, the nigga talk.
Wait, I talk him say you wait, he never come.
He never come.
But one thing say you already know the name down.
Let's have where your music day.
You know something?
Let's have where your music day.
Yeah man.
Where your
Brainy
music
beat, Brainy Beat, they release some track with Brainy Beat record and everything. We they release them within the week.
Well, what be the title?
I go rule.
I go rule.
Yeah.
The title of the song be I go rule.
I go rule.
You go rule.
Me Flexer.
Flexer, you go rule.
Cause me I know what I they talk about. You know something. Me one thing about me, say I know they love say if I talk something you go believe me at once.
I won't see then believe.
That be the thing me at.
But me I go fit tell you say it be medicine you dey take and rule. If truly you want rule, it be medicine.
No, you go fit talk say be spiritual things with me I be spiritual person. Me I dey love the work spiritual way, but
you dey love the work spiritual way.
But you know go fit take me compare juju because me I'm greater than those juju.
You be greater than juju.
Yeah.
So your spirit it be way spirit.
It be way spirit.
Yeah.
Even if I talk you no go understand.
No, I want but talk. I no go understand but talk. Maybe people dey them go understand.
People dey them go understand.
Yeah, I be it no be you alone you dey use that spirit or it be special spirit for you alone.
I go talk say for Ghana here, people with me I know be me then somebody pet where I know say that person too they use that thing.
It be you two pet where they use that spirit.
Pet where it be from straight from birth, it be from heaven.
It be spirit where them born you plus.
It be something where them go born you where God self make them already put down. So if the age reach, the thing will enter you automatically.
Where age where the thing enter you?
Where age where the thing enter me from birth. The time where I did my mother in womb, or they come now I know say I they come.
The time you did no you be like you talk say if you reach some age then the thing go enter you.
That be the thing. If you reach some age it go enter you. You get people where then they reach 90 years before it go enter them. Obi or 2 years. Obi or you 1 day.
Wait,
you understand?
But your own enter you quick.
My own account plus you enter me quick.
What you take achieve?
What I take achieve?
Yeah, musically. Because music is what you want.
Okay. No be say music be what I don't want to do. Music is what I'm doing. But I get ways and the mind where I take to do my music. That's why I wait. Now be the right time where I can do what? I can boss up the industry.
You get video?
Yeah, I get video.
You get video. You get how many songs you get?
Oh, so far the songs with me myself I record where he did down right now be about 19.
You get 19 songs. Where plus your spirit and everything, one no blow set for inside.
You know something? One TV where Ghana people know they understand me say some things they them know they rush them.
Okay.
Make you no rush whilst your green light no show.
Okay.
If you rush ahead your time, you go fail.
Okay.
I'm one person who have patience. Because me, one thing make I talk about you say, as I see everything, the time where I come plus and that was about 2 years ago. I did like 2 years ago, but that time I no talk you say at all the names where I get them things, then the things I achieve. That time I pull off my rasta, then my things. Where that time you never know say I go back to school. You never know till now.
I don't know till now. But you go back to school.
I go back to school. I go complete 2016. But you don't know.
I don't know.
So you think say what go fit push me forward to that extent say me big man we see the backers are the carried and things where I go some go wear uniform where I go there under teacher say make you teach me till say I can't complete school. I complete Firm Foundation 2016 go verify.
Wow.
So if I know say it be something where it move me that way because there is no way you go fit talk Flexer say Flexer. The level you reach, go comot your dreadlocks and things, then upon the girls and things you get, then you go back to school. If Flexer go talk to you safe,
you no go do.
I no go do.
But the thing move you.
Where me I do.
Where you do am.
So if I say
no, now you they make it get you better. So nothing move you yet. Say go back to high grade.
High grade. Me I no get any beef plus high grade now, but me I dey see myself now bigger than high grade. I dey see high grade say like I say. Samini make the name pull down.
Yeah.
Well, now if Samini no dey again, high grade they go. High grade them call on your man no take.
You don't want to join high grade. You see yourself bigger than high grade.
High grade is too lower for me to join. Cause I dey see say even the way I dey think self, the kiddies way they there, them no they think like that.
Samini be high grade though.
Samini be high grade fan. I no talk say Samini.
No, Samini be high grade.
If they say somebody be high grade. It shock me say I dey hear say shatter movement. Why shatter one no go make him movement a high grade rather? Cause it be me I dey see say be high grade though.
It be shatter where you they see say the high grade.
He be high grade because
Samini what it be?
Samini he for go take some name like NKZ. Because I see say the high grade people that they joke. Oh, I see. Sometimes if me a day, we had to look at myself. We had to see the things we had to feel do. We had see some people they talk plenty for the industry. I just they see them and then they talk them see and they talk for myself see. Sometimes I feel they talk to my own spirit say these people them be jokers.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Charlie, forgive me freestyle.
You know something. Okay. Them see me, them a run, them a fear. Them see me like a demon in a care. Blood clot. Okay. When the ego pitch, skin a go burn them when the ego pitch. Them never bad them a snitch. That's why me kill a man, me na hate. Boy, me have a short temper, me na take tack, me a host stepper. Them a backbenchers, tell them say Flexer man a demon, yeah.
So you agree say you be demon?
Oh, you know demon.
You agree say you be demon?
I be demon of God. If you say demon, you short the word.
You be demon of God. But God doesn't deal with demons.
Then you know they read your Bible. Go read King Saul, the spirit that the bad spirit of God they descend on. David will play in guitar and things before the spirit they go back. If me I descend on you, whatever you get, I will take them. So me, if I descend on the industry, I will take all the fame. See, I just say you the rule they come, you go listening to the word. You go listen to the words where you go see say no.
If you descend on me, whatever I get, you go take them.
Oh yeah, because if I see say
bind you, I cast them bind you in Jesus' name.
No, Jesus is my father. You know if you bind me.
Yeah, but I cast you.
Oh. You see, the industry, one thing be say, if we just hold up the industry, then we go make them good.
Wow.
Then we go see how far we go. They hear say some people. Last time they watch Aku Nana for TV topic, they talk say the industry, them know they force them things of what they chop all the money. You see, people just they talk because of Shatawale they talk. Shatawale just they show you market too. Shatawale they buy house, so even though you no reach $1 million, if the money you buy and you no get some for your account too.
But you no reach $1 million.
Oh, that one don't talk with me, they talk.
How you know say you no reach 1 million? Me I know say you reach $1 million.
Yeah, you know.
Me I know. How you know say you no reach?
Oh, Charlie Wale, your house they reach $1 million. You sure say they reach $1 million? That guy is so selfie. They like you know say your house no reach $1 million.
But he buy anyway.
Oh yeah, that's what I don't make them know. Say he buy, so make them see when Shatta come, see the things they make. He raised the industry. That's why he gave him the talk. Say the people know they do the thing well. But you okay? Even Akuna Nasa, you see say this time he gets on long dread. But me then you know say now Akuna na cutting here.
Yeah.
So you they live fake life self. Who self you? They talk the matter. Who self go believe you follow you?
He they live fake life.
Fake life. How you go there?
I be guru to do some.
Guru. Oh, guru there. Me I no want talking matter. That guy there. I mean I no want talking matter self.
So Akuna na they live fake life.
Akuna na they live fake life. Stop they talk about the industry matter stuff. We they can't make the things right.
They can't do.
Me and they talk say me I want talk about today say about what they do. Whatever way the musical president they do make it continue. Obiwo Adwin Trebia if you get some mind where you don't want show go talk about make it talk say all the way can obey you all the way can then Sean they talk you they talk because somebody they talk. Once the person they buy Range Rover every year, you no get nothing. They talk. The guys feel like Crow la Bimukran or not.
But you two, you they talk. What you get?
What I get?
Yeah, you two, you they talk. It be the same talking you they talk, no?
Where they talk you say?
It be the same talking they talk. What
see,
you
they
get?
can release some music.
What be the title?
The industry.
The industry. So you
I
get
say one verse they talk say. Then they spoil the industry, but you know if you talk cause you know get man.
Yeah.
You understand? Then they spoil the industry. But somebody know the fit talk cause you don't get nothing. You don't get man. Me I see some artists downstairs where they sit down for roadway. Or one person show big man. Me I just relax where I go do like this. Cause I see say you don't get man. You don't fit show flex and nothing.
Spiritually self, they no go fit show you nothing.
Spiritually self you go you they talk. Spiritually self they no go fit near my doors. Of course if me I they come self they no go fit near me.
Flexer, your final words to your fans before we wrap up.
What me I want to talk now say Bada movement come to stay.
Bada movement.
Bada movement for life, you know. Make you no make anybody deceive you, see Bada movement don't go stay. we come to stay, but you know be anything way for the talk for air. But the fans from now they go, I go the release give you, I go give you the video, everything make you they see. You know we want somebody they talk where you go they hear. You understand? So on Facebook, just check out Flexer GH. Add me, make we follow them, they follow each other. If you don't make you the bang bang, we go the bang bang, they go BM day for you. On Twitter, I am Flexer GH.
Wait. If you bang, they give BM.
You say?
If you bang, then they give BM.
BM stand for Bada Movement.
Okay, Bada.
You say the man stuff, you know they understand. BM, nobody go feel understand the thing we they do.
Yeah.
You understand? But one thing about me, say me, I know you're listening to what people they talk. Me, they do me. So make you do you. Like time they I go talk more things, but you next time you go talk.
Flexer J, Charlie, you know what to do here, Bob. I be like I enjoy you. Anyway, this is it. Vibes in 5 on Sang, Ghana's only, social media show that gives you the buzz, that gives you the trend, that gives you the results you need as far as your career is concerned. My name has always been Arnold Mensah Avenue, but the people call me I don't say this interview go spark fire, but hey, we did.
Don't try BM. If you try BM, see me, I talk something. Make I talk this one before you go. I say any artist, I know they come out anybody. The big one to the anybody will go try BM. I say if you be BM, Bada Movement girl, if SM girl be proposed to you, make you no agree. But if you be BM boy, you get a chance to do anything with anybody. We any artist will go try BM, your career die. Forget where we they go. Forget where you they go. If you try BM, your career die. Forget whoever where you be. Cause we the music already we they trend for spiritual before we become physical. Me I know what they talk. Ghana I know say if people they talk me I know what they talk. Try BM. I go show you say my dreadlocks self you be snake with them my head up. Make you no try.
I make no bring snakes. Maybe my snakes don't be taking me. Alright, so that's what's up. Thanks man for being part of us.